Hello, this is Tanya with TK Sewing Machine and Repair, and today I have a pretty Singer 66. This machine was manufactured in 1911, and as you can see, it is pink. This machine belongs in a treadle cabinet. It does not have a motor boss, and so you cannot put a motor or a traditional hand crank on it. It could take a hand crank that is shaped in the U, maybe. I'm not sure if the shaft will take it, but this machine needs to go into a treadle base. Um, this machine's finish was in pretty poor shape when I got it, and that's why I decided to paint it pink. And I used this at a market show. It was an outdoor show, and I made a blouse on it. I put it in a treadle cabinet that I have here, and sewed a blouse over the course of the 2 or 3 hours that I was at the show. It works really, really well. Um, so I can do some sample stitches by just turning the hand wheel manually. It is also a back clamping foot. And there are the stitches, this little pink line right here, and here are the stitches on the back. It makes such a beautiful stitch. The bobbin winder rests on the treadle belt, so when you lower it, it'll rest on the treadle belt and wind the bobbin. But if anything else, it would make a wonderful display piece. It has the original plates that went on the machine. It's just really, really pretty. So if this machine ends up in your collection, I hope you enjoy it.